Hello guys, thanks for liking, watching and commenting, subscribing and sharing these videos. In this video we'll learn about chloroform, very important topic based on your demand. I'm recording this one. So chloroform is written as CHCl3, CHCl3, right? And basically it is slowly oxidized by air in the presence of light to a poisonous gas called phosgene, C double bond O Cl2. So it can give you phosgene gas. You can write down phosgene gas in the slow oxidation process. So basically O2 is needed, H2 is needed, and this forms phosgene, and HCl will be the byproduct of this reaction. You can balance the reaction with the help of other members. So that way you can write. So you can say this is the reaction. Next thing is, if you are given, let's say this phosgene thing, this phosgene can react with C2H5OH. So what will happen? C2H5OH can come as a nucleophile. This can attack here, this will become O minus, and one by one you can remove Cls. So if I do 2 times attack, don't you think that this will form this kind of compound which is having OC2H5 at both the places? Please draw it like this. And I hope you understand why it is being formed and what is the methodology of being formed. So addition of ethanol converts this toxic phosgene into harmless diethyl carbonate. This is called diethyl carbonate, and this is harmless. So sometimes they ask, like, why do we mix ethanol? What is the reason for this? So we can always answer this way. Next important thing is preparation of chloroform. So generally preparations we do that, but I'll prepare some kind of line diagram for you. So you take CaOCl2. Okay, what is CaOCl2? CaOCl2 is also called bleaching powder, which is CaOClCl. So take CaOCl2, react it with water. So it will give you chlorine and calcium hydroxide. That is the step 1. So we do this reaction, chlorine and calcium hydroxide. In the next step, we take that Cl2 and try to react it with C2H5OH. What do we react with? C2H5OH, chlorine, and as an oxidizing agent, we can expect this becoming CH3CHO. Okay, and along with that we can get HCl. So this is the second part. And later the same CH3CHO which is being formed, we react with chlorine in presence of calcium hydroxide. So which reaction is this? You have done this reaction, it is called haloform reaction. So please refer my earlier videos, you will form haloform reaction, you can just watch it. This can replace all the hydrogens here and can form a special compound chloral. In one of the videos I have talked about hydrogen bonding in dihydrate of chloral, you can refer that one also. So this is called chloral. Chloral is replacing all 3 H by chlorine. So I repeat, the step 1 is with water, bleaching powder will give you chlorine gas. Chlorine with ethanol can give you CH3CHO and HCl. And later, so chlorine is acting as an oxidizing agent for the second reaction. And the last part is, this is haloform process that we know. So in haloform reaction, as we know, this will become CCl3CHO, and later this can come out. But before that, what we are going to do is, we will take chloral and try to hydrolyze it. So chloral is hydrolyzed. Okay, with what? Not with water, it is with calcium hydroxide. So you are giving it OH minus from calcium hydroxide. So see, I'll draw it like this for just for your convenience. So you can say calcium hydroxide is basically this kind of thing. You can say this way, but because it's an ionic interaction, and we have CCl3. CCl3. So let's write CCl3, and then we have CHO, and then we have CHO and CCl3, like that. So what you can do is, once your hydrolysis is done, this will form CHCl3, this part, and remaining portion goes out. Okay, this will form CHCl3 and remaining portion goes out. So what will be the end result of this? We get 2 moles of CHCl3 with one of this reaction, and along with that we form HC double bond O minus whole twice calcium plus 2. So this is the reaction which will happen, and basically this is called calcium formate as a byproduct. So what they can ask, once again let's revise. Step 1 is reaction of bleaching powder in water. Okay, that's a step 1. Step 2 is you react it with ethanol. Step 3 is you bring haloform step, form chloral and hydrolyze with calcium hydroxide. The same reaction if you try to do in presence of acetone, let's say we don't want this compound C2H5OH, you want to do it with acetone. So step 1 will be again same chlorine formation. After step 1, We don't need to oxidize it because it is already ketone, and we can directly use ketone to the next step. So we can say we are saving one step in that case. So what will be the end reaction there? Let's say we draw like this, CaOH, and then this is CCl3, CCl3, COCH3. So when you hydrolyze, the third step will be like this. You get CHCl3 from both the cases, this one as well as this one, and the byproduct or the end product will be, along with CHCl3, the byproduct will be this time CH3CO whole twice Ca. That's the only difference in the first one and the second one. Now, apart from that, I hope we are very clear about when we have strongly basic medium like Cl2OH minus, okay, in cold dilute condition or hot concentrated condition, what are the results? In cold dilute, result is OCl minus, Cl minus. In this hot concentrated, the result is ClO3 minus, right? ClO3 minus and Cl minus. So we are aware about these things. We can apply these reactions also. Now, few other important reaction of chloroform are, we can note down, chloroform are. So I'll just take chloroform in the center and try to connect these things here itself directly. So one reaction is chloroform reacting and basically getting hydrogenated, okay. So with 6 hydrogens basically, so we say that this will become eventually removal of all HCl's and CH4 will be formed. That's one important reaction. One more important reaction is chloroform being chlorinated. So if you chlorinate it, it becomes CCl4. That's the second important reaction. Next could be chloroform reacting on, let's say, silver powder, Ag powder, and 2 units. This is very important reaction. So it forms what? It forms AgCl, and in this case we have Hc triple bond CH kind of formation. Same is done for CHI3 and Ag reaction, which forms again iodoform. Basically, iodoform reacts with Ag powder, will form again acetylene. This is important reaction that we have covered in acetylene also. Next important reaction of chloroform is reaction with HNO3. So HNO3, it gives you CCl3 NO2, which is also called chloropicrin. And chloropicrin is known for tear gas. Okay, it's a tear gas. So which normally you have seen like police personnel use, okay, to disperse the crowd. So these are few important reaction of chloroform. I hope you are understanding this. Please like, subscribe, share and comment if you want more videos. Thank you.